Let's be honest, every home improvement company says they care about their clients, but how many actually show you what happens when something goes wrong? Well, we do at Southwest Exteriors, and we're not afraid to talk about it. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, and since 1989, we've helped thousands of San Antonio homeowners with their siding, windows, and exterior upgrades. We've got over 1,000 reviews with a 4.9 star average, but 13 of those are 1-star reviews. And instead of hiding those, we're gonna lean into them, because a 1-star review doesn't scare us, but ignoring it sure does. For some contractors, a bad review is a PR problem. For us, it's a leadership signal. When a 1-star review comes in, it goes straight to our CEO, Ryan Schutt. He reaches out to the homeowner and sits down with the team, not to assign blame, but to understand, where did we break trust? Was this a system issue or a human one? And what do we need to change to get better? When we broke down these 1-star experiences, some patterns did start to show up. Communication breakdowns on longer projects, unclear pricing or expectations, delayed warranty responses, a mismatch between expectations and scope, and crews not meeting our standards on site. These aren't small oversights, these are gaps in trust, and we treat them that way. Let me tell you about Deborah. Her siding project wasn't perfect. Missed touch-ups, caulking concerns, and a miscommunication about power washing. But instead of brushing it off, we called her. We inspected the work, rescheduled, fixed, and followed up. We weren't just checking boxes, we wanted her to feel heard. That situation helped us improve our follow-up process across the board. You don't build trust by being perfect. You build it by making things right when you fall short. It costs us time and money sometimes, sure, but what we get back is way more valuable. Trust, referrals, and relationships that last. So before you hire anyone, ask them this. How do they respond to complaints? Do their reviews repeat the same issues? Can they tell you about their last mistake and what they learned from it? If they hesitate, that tells you everything. At Southwest Exteriors, we live out 3 core values every day: restorative love, relentless pursuit of excellence, and an authentic transparency. That's what makes us different. We believe that your home deserves more than surface-level service. It deserves people who show up, own their mistakes, and work with heart. Let's reimagine what's possible together. If something didn't go right, let's talk. If you're planning a project, let's see how we can bring your vision to life with integrity and trust.